everybody. This is day 2 in Swansea. We are in National Cave Museum, so we're gonna go inside and explore it more, but this is just the entrance. I wanted to show it to you guys. These are the old stones which came from a river, I think. From a river, yeah. Beautiful, so amazing, mind-blowing. Even from the movie.
A volą niwe rodził jaj, a ty sprawiła.
Right, I'm gonna wrap up my vlog here. I hope you have enjoyed watching the dinosaurs and you have enjoyed watching my clip. And if you haven't seen my caves clip, then go back and watch that one. And my next plan is to go to Egypt Museum, so keep watching. And as you can see, I've got all the dinosaurs behind me. It's massive big park. There are some dinosaurs which are moving. You will think that they are real, but they are like 3-dimension, you know, creative. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope to see you in my next clip soon. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe here and here. Till next time, take care, bye.